Welcome to Harvest Bliss Foods, where we explore the latest innovations transforming agriculture. Seedling Tractor today will uncover how AI, robotics, and smart farming tools are revolutionizing the way we grow food. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Imagine a tiny aircraft soaring over lush fields, scanning crops with pinpoint accuracy. AI-powered drones detect plant diseases, monitor growth, and even map out the best harvesting zones, helping farmers boost yields while saving time and money. Water is life, but wasting it? That's old school. AI-powered irrigation systems use smart soil sensors to detect moisture levels and deliver just the right amount of water. No waste, no guesswork. Just efficient, eco-friendly farming. Meet your new farm assistant, an AI-powered robot that picks the ripest fruits with zero mistakes. Robot Face Red Apple. These robots work 24/7, reducing labor costs and ensuring top-quality produce. The future of harvesting is here. Farming isn't just about soil and seeds, it's about data. AI-powered dashboards give farmers real-time insights on crop health, weather conditions, and yield predictions, all from a simple tablet. Bar chart globe showing Europe-Africa. Smart decisions mean bigger harvests. What if farming didn't need soil or sunlight? Herb Cityscape. AI-controlled vertical farms use hydroponics and LED lighting to grow fresh produce indoors, maximizing space and minimizing waste. A game-changer for urban farming. No driver? No problem. Tractor Robot Face. AI-powered self-driving tractors plow fields, plant seeds, and apply fertilizers with precision, making farming faster, smarter, and more efficient. Less work, more results. Keeping livestock healthy has never been easier. Cow Satellite Antenna. AI-powered collars track cows' health, diet, and movement in real time, helping farmers prevent diseases and improve animal well-being. Happy cows, happy farm.